Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we're going to learn about organizational structure and change for week 8 classes. In this chapter, we're going to learn organizational structure and its basic elements. We're going to describe hierarchy, team base, and matrix. We're going to learn also why and how organizations change and reasons why people resist change. Here the framework which we learned before: planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and mostly today we're focused on organizing. Here are 3 types of organizational structure: hierarchy, team base, and matrix, which we're going to learn each step properly. Here is a hierarchy. What is that? So as you see, it's like pyramids. From the top level to going down. In the top, you can say here is a CEO, Chief Executive Officer, or Chairman, or the President of the company. Here the below goes Vice Presidents or Vice Chairmen of the company, or in our educational system you can say here Rector. Here's a Vice Rectors, and here's a head of departments, and here's the employees, or most of the people say here frontline. The second is team-based organization. Here's compared to hierarchy, it's totally different. Here's management comes out from the group. Here's divided the groups is a great team, amazing team, special team, creative team. So here in each team the specialized people are different. Here you can say is IT man, marketing, or HR department. So they work together, they understand each other, they depend each other, and each team they're also connected with each other. Moment. So they also depend to each other. Here's the third one is matrix. Matrix is the one which is with a team base and hierarchy. They all get together. It's with a hierarchy and with pyramids and a team base A, B, C, D. They all got together. This kind of company, it happens also in IKEA, the world famous home appliances makers, or you can homemade furnitures for home. They do everything for home. They're huge company, huge manufacturer. They follow this framework. Here is the next one: the building of structure. Here is it divided to centralization, decentralization, formalization, hierarchical level, and departmentalization. What's a centralization? The centralization, the management decision makers, it's a top level people, the CEOs or presidents, which is they give the order, and the levels it's going down and down. So the decision makers or innovation, whatever they do, it comes from the top level to the down. Decentralization, it means the company manages total different way. It's like each department or each team, they make their own decisions. It's not dependent the headquarter or head office. Each department they do their own innovations. They do the own way. Like in our university, for instance, in my department, I'm not depending to the tourism committee. So we do with other teams our own decisions to develop our department, our functions. And formalization, it's rules and regulations. Most companies they have